morning from the deck of Artemis. Our captain is at the helm as we leave Port Townsend this morning and head over to Anacortes to pick up some friends for an overnight to see just how much fun we can really have. Anyway, it's going to be kind of a slog today, as the captain says. Might have some current against us. And how many miles is it to Anacortes? It's a 30-mile journey. So yeah, yahoo! Awesome.
Good morning from the deck of Artemis. We are crossing over to Whidbey Island from Port Townsend. We did a pretty good job of actually getting past the Port Hudson rip. So far, a smooth ride. We are doing a crazy 9 knots right now, compliments of the Port Townsend Express. Although we don't expect that to last much longer, we are going to actually try to hug the coast of Whidbey Island to somewhat find some kind of a back eddy, because once we round the corners, the current's going to be against us. We are in sailable weather, but we have to get to where we're going pretty quick. We have some currents to avoid, so sailing right now is not an option. So had a wonderful time in Port Townsend. Looking forward to going over to Anacortes and catching up with some friends. A little chilly right now, even though there's actually a heat advisory for today, but hey, loving life still. Awesome. Oh yeah, 9 plus knots. Thank you very much, Port Townsend Express. Awesome. We have rounded the corner for Whidbey Island. The wind definitely has dropped. We're still have a little bit of a current, but we obviously fell off the Port Townsend Express, which was pretty good. I mean, we were doing like 9 knots for quite a while. So yeah, so looks really calm all the way around here. Actually, it's pretty nice. It does feel like we're barely moving after going from 9 knots down to 5 knots, but it's all good. Anyway, we'll report back in a little bit. Still having a good time. Awesome. We are passing Smith Island on our port side. As you can see, it is just calm out here. So it's kind of a nice sunny day, hardly a ripple in the water. We have been successful at finding some back eddies because we are actually going half a knot in the plus, which is really good considering right now it's an ebb tide and it's going in the opposite direction. So yeah, anyway, so yeah, it continues to be going good. So we'll see how it continues. So Kathy, are you having a good time?
Awesome time.
Good deal. It is. Wow, the first time ever we've seen an orca out here. That's amazing. We have sighted another orca, kind of paralleling our path, so pretty cool. We are just by the Naval Air Station on Whidbey Island right now, so it continues to be a little bit calm. Oh, there it is again. Awesome. Our little back eddies have been working out pretty much all day, so mostly breaking even, sometimes ahead, sometimes a little bit behind, but it's been a good one. And with the addition of orcas, wow, that is the cherry on top of the ice cream sundae. Pretty awesome.
So we're coming up to Deception Pass. Coming up on the south side of it. I think there's the campground and the beach. We're not going through Deception Pass today. We're going to be continuing up the coast of Whidbey Island, taking it around the top to get to Anacortes, Cap Sante Marina. Deception Pass. So on our port side is Burroughs Island, and today we're going to take the Burrows Pass.
We have officially entered the Guaymas Channel. Still, actually, was a lift on the as regards to the current. So yeah, everything has worked out perfectly. So what should have been, realistically speaking, a 6-hour trip has been a 5.5-hour trip on a kind of a journey that we should have had lots of opposing currents. But it looks like the whole back eddy helped us out. So yeah, it was pretty freaking awesome. So what do you think, Kath?
Awesome.
Fab.
Oh, Captain, my Captain, how does it go?
It goes well. We are about 30 minutes away in my favorite part, the Guaymas Channel. So we'll be pulling in shortly. It's a little lumpy, but oh well, that's all good.
Hey, so we've got some friends on board. We've got Scott and Annie. They're newbies. They're brave souls. Going out on Artemis for a night or two. They'll be gracing our cockpit. So they're old hat campers, so they've got this, right, Mo? Got it. And what do you say? Awesome. Well, we are quickly approaching Cypress Island. Eagle Bay, our destination, is on the northeast, I think, side of the island. So we'll get around here and work our way up. Awesome. Here's a nice view of Cypress. What we're looking at is Cypress Head. So we're going to be going around that to the other little further north to Eagle Bay. Yeah, what a beautiful day. So glad that our friends are with us. Yeah, so we're learning a little bit about sailing from Captain Mo. So, yep. Hello.
This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.